Just a small update on the Hawk. I finally got it plated. I've been riding it. I got 100 miles on it. Everything's still good. I'm about to do one more oil change just for the break-in cycle. I've already done one. This will be the second. And it's been raining. I haven't got any videos up. And then I was out on the dirt bike out at Wayne National Forest this weekend. So hopefully I'll get some riding footage shortly. I added a phone mount so I can run GPS, and I wired in this USB charger so I can charge the phone while I'm riding. It was simple enough. It was just a kit on Amazon. It's like $11. It has an inline fuse on it and everything. It hasn't killed the battery at all, just sitting in the garage. I started it up earlier today. And hopefully soon I'll get some riding footage and I'll be able to post it, and you guys can base your own opinion on this bike and whether or not you think it's worth the money or not.